ADAS2Alignment takes alignment-related data and turns it into clearer, usable insights so shops and technicians can better explain vehicle path implications and support ADAS-related repair decisions. It's very user-friendly. Just align the vehicle. Input the measurements and data points from the vehicle. Review the vehicle path output. ADAS2Alignment translates the data into a clearer view of what the readings mean in real-world terms, driving down the road. The platform also shows how alignment-related geometry affects vehicle path and ADAS-related repair considerations. In this case, ADAS2Alignment shows that the vehicle is looking to the right of center by more than a foot within 1,000 feet, a distance traveled less than 10 seconds at 70 miles per hour. Technicians and shops can use the results to support the repair for documentation and diagnostic purposes. ADAS2Alignment takes alignment-related data and turns it into clearer, usable insights so shops and technicians can better explain vehicle path implications, because being in the green doesn't mean good anymore. ADAS2Alignment